And we are getting Tesla. We're just getting the bottom line numbers right now. It does look like overall a fairly big outperformance. Third quarter adjusted EPS of $1.05. Estimates were for $1.01. They are still seeing 50% average annual growth in vehicle deliveries. Of course, we got those vehicle deliveries about 10 days ago for the third quarter. So again, we're getting the bottom line numbers right here. The adjusted EPS numbers of $1.05. Estimates were for $1.01. And again, we had gotten a lot of those production and delivery numbers as we await to continue to look through some of these PDFs as well for Tesla. Really pleased to say that we can bring in Ed Ludlow right now. I know that you too, my PDF has been stuck in a spinning wheel. Ed, yours too may be doing that as well. But what do you make of at least sort of the third quarter revenue numbers that we're getting here of about $24.4 billion and at least some improvement on the bottom line?
Yeah, this has become the story for Tesla. They're beating on the top and bottom line despite difficult macro conditions. Reiterating the guidance of average annual growth of 50% is very important. Why? Because in the first 9 months of this year, they were tracking at around 45% growth. So the street was looking to see if they could signal they'd make up that lost ground in the final quarter of this year. The final point that jumps out at me is this release on page 2 of 29 is that they talk again about the issues they faced at the end of the quarter, the higher elevated logistics costs of moving vehicles from A to B. And remember, when it came to the delivery numbers for the third quarter, they missed because they said there were a number of vehicles in transit and the cost of moving those vehicles was becoming unpalatably high.